Incremental greetings. This is William Palace, also known as William Palace. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import and work with less suitable writings and readings in incremental reading. And those are research papers in journals. So I am especially interested in this one. I haven't read a single thing. Luckily, it's open access. So instead of downloading the PDF, I will be using the HTML. But you know that you have to take into account that you cannot interleave these because of the methodology and so on. So it's less suitable. So one strategy I already imported one today, is that I split the article in such a way that it's always the same. So I have abstract, then introduction, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. And if I want to, I can keep the citation style. So it's easier to me to know the DOI or whatever, just to save time. I don't know if I will keep this, so for now, I just dismissed. But keep in mind that I didn't use the usual solution. So first is that now I want to import this. So let's pass the article to get rid of all the... Now I will be tempted to do the split, which won't work. The split will be just one extract. The second option will be the custom string. And I could use the bold. So now I can split by bold. Let's do it. Custom string and bold. And here is where the difference is. What I will be doing with these types of articles, which are research, is nesting. So here I have methods, which is empty. Usually I will get rid of this and have one single level of hierarchy, but not in this case. So I will put everything inside it. Now I have results. All of this inside results. Now discussion. Well, limitations inside the discussion. Conclusion inside this article if I want to keep it, same as before. So now I only need to dismiss the folder, to dismiss the topic, to convert it to a folder. Introduction, that's a false positive, same as this one. Well, I increased the priority of the abstract because I want to read the abstract before everything else in the article. But here is one caveat, and I noticed that in the methods it's empty as I expected, but the results is not. So I will need, just for consistency, I want this to be a folder. So I will paste it here. And same for discussion. Sometimes will be absolutely useless because I will make an extract of this, but I don't know today because I haven't read anything at all. So that's the clean solution. Abstract, introduction, same as before. Abstract, introduction. Now methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. I won't rename it back, so I can clean all of this if you want to make it pretty. I think the time invested doesn't outweigh the benefit. So I will leave, for instance, like here, that you have more text. I don't care. And I don't know, for now I'll be using this. It's the first day, so I will make a follow-up video about my experience when I see those items in my incremental reading queue. If I do, because I have a huge outstanding queue already.